Hey guys, so it's time to boot up my Nokia N9 for the first time. I've inputted a SIM card on the top, yeah, so that's kind of awesome. I assume that you just boot it up on this button on the side, because, you know, there's only like 3 buttons on this device. That's on the right side, volume up and down, and then like power on. Oh, very quick boot up process. Nokia text. And some guy in the comments were saying on my Nokia N9 unboxing that was running some kind of Maimo operating system, but what are you talking about? It's Mega 1.2 Harmadan build. Kind of like, yeah, that was weird. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and wait here. Actually, I assume that you need to tap on it. No? Maybe it's still loading. Or, yes. Seems like it's still loading. Okay, wait a sec. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go down a little bit so we can take a little closer look. So basically this is just the time, the date, and the language, and my region, and it's all, you know, in Sweden, stuff like that. Okay, so thanks you for, you know, picking this, making. I don't have a Nokia account. Create a new Nokia account. Pretty sure you need a Nokia account to use this phone. Connecting to the internet. I assume that's my network. Yeah. Oh my god, the keyboard is gold. With a nice, you know, click sound. That keyboard is nice. That's a sexy ass keyboard. Let's go ahead and see here. Okay, that's interesting. I need to fix my internet right now. I suppose. I'm not sure if I have. Okay, wait a sec. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and fire it on here in the background, and if we swipe, wait a sec, if we go to console, okay, fail, okay, go ahead and try again. And my new network should pop up pretty soon, because I'm making a hotspot on my computer so I could access my internet from my computer in my, you know, phone. That's kind of great. But I'm just gonna wait here until it pops up. And right now, okay, there we go. It's finished. Basically, there we go. Just gonna tap on it, hit connect, and then the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, the keyboard feels small, but it still feels like a quality keyboard when you type and stuff like that. Get that clicking sound, and it just feels like quality. Okay, my email and create a password. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start typing this up here. And while I'm typing that, why don't you just look on my Windows Phone 7? Almost looks like a Amiga device. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in my stuff here. Wow, the keyboard is badass. This feels like a quality phone. I mean, obviously the build quality is already insane. but you know, the keyboard is nice keyboard with the, you know, good, really good feel. Love that clicking sound. Maybe I will be annoyed by it later on, but yeah. Okay. Also good that they have this show password thingy, so you can see if you're doing everything right. If you mistype or something like that. It's gonna select a new password here that I've never used before. Okay, so there we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and create an account. Okay. The screen is very bright. Wait a sec, guys. Two seconds. I have so many phones. It's insane. Okay. So, quick overview. Start this guide. There we go. Okay, this is the lock screen. Swipe with your finger outside the screen to unlock. Okay. There we go. Open the phone by clicking on the icon, okay? Nice. Swipe to go back to your programs. Okay, good. Swipe to move over to other home screens. Okay, let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, there we go. Swipe to go to other home screens. Okay. Okay, quit this. Okay, done. Swipe to exit out of that. So there we go, guys. Having my Amiga up running, and could you see how smooth that is? That's iOS smoothness, I would say. Oh my god, that's insane. Why did they stop developing this? You know, why? This is insane. If you ask me, then that's bananas. Wow. I'm really gonna, you know, take obviously a closer look on this operating system, try apps out and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, that's just a quick little video booting it up and all those things for the first time. So yeah, if you like these videos, you can please subscribe and you know, see more of these because they're awesome. See you.